In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up donations on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Setting up a donation feature on your Squarespace website can be a great way to support your organization or cause by collecting contributions directly from visitors. Let's dive right into the process and get everything up and running smoothly. First things first, you'll want to start by clicking on the login button. This is your gateway to accessing all the tools and features that Squarespace offers. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be presented with various sign-in options. Here, I recommend clicking Continue with Google if you have your Google account linked with Squarespace. It's a fast and convenient way to log in without having to remember another password. After successfully logging in, you'll see a list of your websites. Go ahead and click on your website to start making the necessary changes for your donation setup. Now that you're in, it's time to make some edits. Navigate to the edit section of your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you can customize your website to your liking. Think of it as your digital workspace where you can modify and enhance the features of your website. Next, you'll want to click on Add Block. Blocks in Squarespace are essentially the building blocks for any page, allowing you to add content like text, videos, and other features. For our purposes today, we'll be focusing on adding a donation block. With the Add Block section open, look for the donation option and click on it. This will insert a donation block onto your chosen page, allowing visitors to easily contribute to your cause. Squarespace makes the process quite intuitive, ensuring that even if you're new to website building, you can add these features without any hassle. Once you have the donation block in place, it's time to give it a personal touch. Click on the pencil icon, which allows you to edit the block settings. Here you can customize things like suggested donation amounts, descriptions, and even add images or text to appeal to potential donors. Personalizing this section is crucial as it directly reflects your cause and can motivate visitors to make a donation. Before we wrap things up, it's important to note that in order to accept donations, your Squarespace account must be upgraded to at least the business plan. This upgrade unlocks the necessary functionalities for processing payments and ensures that your setup is fully operational. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to setting up donations on Squarespace. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize your website to garner support for your organization or cause. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Squarespace site. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to engage with the community or explore more resources online. Have a fantastic day.